Hey there, YouTube family and friends. This is Dr. Destiny. Guys, I got a very important message that I want to speak to y'all today. This message I'm going to speak, it can prefer to a whole lot of different people and situations, but I'm going to talk to this YouTube family. Guys, listen, a lot of times we be asking why we're not succeeding in our finances, why we're not succeeding in a successful marriage, why we're not succeeding in a great family life, why we're not succeeding in our health, why we're not succeeding being great content creators, why we're not succeeding. Because a lot of times, let me tell you, a lot of times because you keep putting your hands into it instead of letting go and let God. Sometimes we just gotta learn how to just move ourselves out of the way. Trust the process. Trust God. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it in His own timing and not ours. Believe that. Trust Him. Lean not to our own understanding, people. If you want to be a great content creator, which I'm speaking to the content creators out there today, then get your hands out of it. Get your hands, trust Him, trust the process, keep doing what you're doing, and knowing that He got this, He got your back. And if it's time for your channel to blow up, it's going to blow up in His time. It's time for you to be noticed and become successful. It's going to be in His time. But you got to move yourself out of the way. Let me give you a quick testimony, and I want you to hear this. I started my YouTube channel many years ago. And for the first 2.5 years almost, I stayed at like a 46 subscribers. And then I started moving on up a little bit to about 200. But then I feel like I needed to do more. I needed to be into what I'm doing more, creating all these videos, doing 8, 9, 10, 12 videos a day. And every time I'm thinking, I'm trying to make it happen, I'm trying to make it work, I'm trying to make something successful. Because I was trying to do it on my own, trying to give myself the kudos, the credit. But the moment I stepped back and stepped out of the way, when He spoke to me last year, He spoke to me, He said, take that vacation, leave everything at home, your computers, your cameras, and anything, and you go on this vacation and you enjoy it, and you learn how to be you. Learn how to take time out and stop worrying about things, stop trying to force things to happen. He taught me a lesson on that vacation. He taught me a lesson how not to be all up in my videos. He told me to make a schedule when I come back home. 5 days later, when I returned home, I made that schedule. I cut out Saturdays, being on YouTube all the time. I took that Saturday as my day off. Sunday, I'm on YouTube very, very briefly. Mondays, I just take easy. But the most important thing, what I learned that He taught me, He said, cut your videos to 3. 3 videos per day, at the most. And that's what I did. And I listened, I followed Him, I took His advice and instructions, and I did everything He said do. Within that time, from that April up till that December, that's when my videos began to soar, went crazy, went viral. My videos went from like 500 videos or 500 likes, 500 views, whatever, 500 views, 2 views, 6 views. I don't know, it just was crazy. It just jumped that from that April, when I went on vacation, to December, it jumped all the way to 2 million views. I was throwing out videos because I was doing that 3. I was stepping back. My hands was out the way. Hey, I was surrender now. You do it what you do it your way, God. You do it your way. And the divine higher power created, He got in because my hands was no longer in the way. I wasn't in the way. So He did it in His perfect time and His will. So guys, if you want to be successful in anything in life, I don't care what the situation may be, but right now I'm talking to YouTube creators, but you can be successful in your marriage, your finances, your relationships with your children, your home, your job, whatever it may be. You can be successful if you stop being such a busybody and trying to create your own life. Your life has already been planned. It's already been set out from the day you were born. So I'm saying this, content creators, move out the way. Take your hands off of it. Trust the process and stop trying to do so many videos like I did. Doing 12, 10 videos a day on YouTube, 10 hours a day, 5, 4, 6 hours a day. Hey, give God whatever your situations is and just trust the process. Just like he spoke to me. If you listen, he will speak to you. And if you do what he says, he's going to make your YouTube channel blow up. Trust him.